we've made an intelligent device to detect microstructures from a microscope. We have developed a neural network algorithm on our Jetson TX2 supercomputer. We have integrated a computer vision to see objects, and we use another hardware like Arduinos and motors to control the microscope knobs. Here we customize the microscope using 3 motors and the gears. So for the training phase we use a servo motor to control our knob, and it took a video. Then the video extracted to JPEG images. So we use those images under training phases even for the test purpose. After that we trained our model using TensorFlow on our Jetson TX2. So we had around 80 epochs and it took so long. By using a computer vision we can easily see where our microstructures are. So we have customized our microscope to make our device fully autonomous. So we added a gears and another a chain to our microscope. We attached our stepper motors to the microscope so we can easily control them using our Arduino. So using a computer vision we differentiate the microstructures from the slide. So later on we save the locations of each microstructures into NumPy array. So from that array we drive the motors by giving instruction to the Arduino. So each founded microstructures is compared from our trained model of our sample and give a result of sample and not sample. By any condition the program knows our sample, even though if it's blurred. The program also gives us the result of what kind of sample it is. From finding microstructures from the slide and proceeding to identify which is a sample, because the slide may contain errors, and later on it will tell us what kind of sample it is, so we can definitely draw a precise model of our 3D structure on the slide. Another form of AI, which is a computer vision, used to detect microstructures. In the Matplotlib we used to draw a 3D model